Welcome back to construction. Today I'm going to be showing you all my models. So first up we've got a Massey Ferguson 6600 with a manure grab on the front with twin beacons and some grey rims in the specialty bits, and we've got backlights, work lights. Next up we've got a Peterbilt cattle truck with a Wilson trailer, and it has the limited edition one mirror truck. Then next up we've got the Peterbilt dual mirror gearbox truck with a low loader which detaches. Next up we've got the New Holland CR900 with the CR900 corn header. Next we've got the 5500 Massey which had beacons. I'll chuck them off in a moment. Next we've got the John Deere 6M with forks and my own warning signs that I've built. Next up we've got the New Holland T8 with my warning signs on the back and jewels. Then next up we've got a Peterbilt dump bed truck with all opening parts. Next up we've got the John Deere 7R which has no extras, it's just got detail on the way. Next up we've got the Claas Exion 5000 series with dual beacons. Then we've got the Fella dual winged windrower. Then we've got my own built mulcher, John Deere flatbed bale trailer. Last of all, we've got the John Deere modified bucket 6R tractor. Thanks for watching. This is construction, getting out.